So I've been needing to turn my compost all this time and haven't wanted to do it because it's pretty yucky when you take the lid off with all the bugs and stuff flying out. So I was talking to my husband last night and I said, I think I'm just going to turn it over, like flip it on its side and move it, get the good stuff out of the bottom, and then sit it back up and fill it. He tells me there's a door. See that right there? And I said, oh, I didn't know that's what that was for. So I don't know if it's going to open or not. But I'm going to see if it'll open, because that would be so much easier than turning it over. So I'm going to see if I can pull it. The grass has kind of grown over it. Wow! Look at this. Looks like compost. You have no idea how excited this makes me. Now it's crawling with ants because we have a serious ant problem in our yard. But look, I've made compost. Who knows how long that's been in there? So the plan is to use this shovel, put it in this bucket I have, to use it for my plants. I'm so excited. You guys just don't understand my excitement level. I thought I was gonna have to turn this over, and it's all right there. And this is, it says Soil Saver Classic Composter. So awesome. So here we go. Look at that. And I'm thinking I don't need to put the eggshells because they look like they don't break down really well. I see eggshells in there. But look at that. It made compost. I can't even. So I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me slowly dig this out and admire every scoop. See the eggshell pieces right there? I definitely need to leave out the eggshells because they're not breaking down that fast. I think I want to leave out things like pine straw because there's a lot of big pieces of pine straw in here, but I'm having to really work the dirt to get it down. It's really stuck up there. It's like feels like really hard dirt on the sides until you get it unstuck. But what I'm learning from digging this out is not to use eggshells. Don't use things like pine straw. I pulled out a piece of branch. Things like this don't need to end up in there. And it probably sounds like obvious to you, but this is my first time. I didn't really know what not to put in there. See that big piece of eggshell? I also see some peanut holes. Those didn't break down. So no peanut peanut shells, no egg shells. No big type of sticker branches, no pine straw. But this is absolutely awesome. I don't know what that is. It's like a piece of plastic got in there. Whoops. All this stuff that's still big is what I don't want to put in here next time. Because I want to have that really broken down good compost. And I think I need to leave this stuff longer. I'm gonna stop and shut the door on this. Maybe I've just gotten too far up, but see how big that stuff is? Look at that earthworm. All kinds of good stuff in there. So I'm just gonna take this door and put it back on there. Pretty neat, it just slides on. I can't get it as flat as it was. Got stuff blocking the doorway. Anyway, I'm very encouraged by that.